Howdy everyone, and welcome back to another video with me. I'm Nick, and this is London Creative. Got a hoodie. You can buy these on Teespring if you want. There's a link below, and you know what to do. Anyway, what are we doing? Well, given the somewhat success of the last attempt of flow art, I figured I'd try another one. And this is simple. It's simple. And I'm rambling, so I'll shut up and get on. Hope you enjoy this. If you do, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, hit subscribe, come back for more. Nothing else to say, but let's start painting. Howdy guys, how are you doing up there? Right, I'm going to mix house paint, so let's go. I need to get a resealable cup so I don't have to keep using all the paint up. Okay, so, travelling ring pour with squiggle to boot. Think. Not bad. Right. Canvas board, so dry fairly quickly. There we go, we're going that way. Looks like steam. At this moment in time, that looks like steam bubbling out of a lava pit. Experiment in how paint moves. White house paint moves faster than Amsterdam. Blast it with dirty spit. That was a bad idea. I don't know. Interesting. Let's get the purple stick out and do that trick again. Did this before. That's not bad, that. Should we call it quits? Put you down. I don't know about you, but I can see a face here. I'm going to add to this. I've already pre-drawn a sketch of what I've seen. And I'm just going to add to it. Not in great detail. Keep it quite vague. I'm just using Sharpie and a fine liner. Really try and keep those patterns that are there. A Posca pen. continue on. Up here I can sort of see, well anyway, you get the idea. Well, there you go. That's it. That's it finished. Yeah, it wasn't quite what we started off with, was it? A nice ring pour with a sort of trailing vapor sort of image, and then the white paint moved a foot more than the blues and the purples, so it didn't quite travel, and I didn't like the middle bit, so I blasted it with a hairdryer, and then yeah, that didn't do any favours for it. But it started to dry, and I kept looking at it and going, I can see a face there, and a face there, and a face, and I can see it, and that's a cave, and then there's mist, and I end up with the cave of the Forgotten Infidel, I think I'm calling it. At least it's different, it's not just another ring pour. But that said, I'll be back, I'll do more, so get used to it. And if you like ring pours and flow art and whatever, then remember to hit subscribe and come back for more. If you also like views of London and random places to go, or other creative endeavours, you're sorted. Why have you not clicked subscribe? Come on, go on, just scroll down, click. Yeah, see, simple, wasn't a problem. Now my video will appear on a Sunday evening in your timeline, and you'll be like, oh, wonder what that is. Let's click on it and watch it. And then you tell people by clicking share, and you can share it to other people. And that's it. Someone said it was like you've got hundreds, loads and loads of candy to hand out, so you click like, that's your candy. But your favourites, you saved things, you save them in your playlists and your to watch later. And they're your secret ones you don't have to tell anyone. And then you click subscribe, because it's like going back to your favourite sweet shop. Well, it's probably one of those old sweet shops with like hundreds of different sweets, because there's not one type of sweet. That's the type you want. You don't want the same sweet every week, do you? So click subscribe and come back for a different sweet next week. It might be more of these, but it might be more being out in London. It might be more building things, cutting things, drilling things, smashing things, breaking things. I'm good at that. Who knows? Click subscribe, come back next time, and you'll see something different. Until then, bye.